In this video, I'll be unboxing two of the affordable and most sold Casio watches. So let's start with first one. So this is the Bumblebee model, that is Casio model F91W IQ. So this is the newer version of the Casio F91W. So let's see what's the original Casio 91 iconic watch is like. So this is our Casio 91W. So let's have one-to-one review of these two watches. Both have similar case, if you can see, and both have 2 years warranty plus 1 year extended warranty, and we get a free 6-month warranty for registering online. So this is one of the most reliable models from Casio, and also most durable and accurate one. So this watch has been icon for more than 35 years, used by Obama to Osama bin Laden. Let's see what are the difference in these two models. Personally, I like F91W because this was one of my first watches, and the functionality wise also these both watches are same. If you see the case, both are resin based, and the stripe also resin based. Yeah, again both have less weight of 20 to 21 grams. Let's see with the light function. If you see, same light that will be lasting while we press the button and will be off when we release this button. And the only drawback in this F91 is its light. Same for the case for F94W. Then this is the button for seeing the 24-hour format. Yeah, if you see here, there is an indicator that it is a 24-hour format in the circle above, and here it is written on the left side top corner 24-hour. Again we move back to the normal AM PM. Here it is indicated in the circle dial on the top. It is an indicator, and here if you press, it will be shown in the PM. So it is more readable for me. For someone to see some indicator stuff, you can choose this one. And if we long press the 24-hour format button for long, you can see Casio written, and on releasing it, it will be gone. If we press all the 3 buttons, let's do one by one. Yeah, same for here. If you see that both have the first digit is smaller one, but for Bumblebee model, this is the nickname, the first digit is much more smaller because a font difference. They are using some more bolder font compared to F91W, so the smaller digit on the first digit is more visible. So if you love symmetrical display, you can go for F91W, but if it is that doesn't matter, you can go for this. Yeah, the feature wise, if you select the mode button, you can see alarm. You can switch on the alarm like this. This is the alarm switch on. Then you can select again, then the signal, that hourly signal will be enabled. When you press again, both signal and alarm will be enabled, and on third press, all alarm and signal will be disabled. Again, moving the mode, it go back to the original time mode. But if you press 2 times, it go to stopwatch. Again, you can start it, stop. If you see here, you can press again this one button to reset. But if you start it, stop, then press again the same button, continue. Yeah, if you see, every time in the different mode, even if you press the light button, the light will be blinking along with the changes. If you press again, it will go to time mode. Then pressing 3 times, the time can be edited by, you can see that the seconds digit is blinking. Again, selecting light button, you can change hour, minute, then for month, day, weekday. Yeah, actually that's it. Thank you.